So I got my fill wall set up here. This is my template for it. I just wanted to show everybody, kind of show off what I had started doing. So I have a few different quotes that are set up around here. I'll zoom in on them in a minute here. And then I got a couple spots where I actually put my own little stories of where I've failed and what I've learned from those failures. I just used some paper on the bulletin board here to start off. I'm hoping to get some actual whiteboards in here to use those. I think they just give a little more permanent, or not so much permanence, but something that pops with the kids. I find my kids love like when I pull out the whiteboards and things like that versus just the static paper that just doesn't look like just a regular bulletin board. Well, there's my fill wall set up, and here I'll bring you over to take a look at some of the various things. So I got a few different quotes, some quotes from things I've recently read or things that I really like. This is one of my my little stories that I've put on here about when I was snowboarding and was too cool to try the bunny hill and hurt myself pretty bad and realized that I need to practice before I actually get there. And so these are just from different things I've read recently or things that I've remembered. I had a million to put on the board, but didn't want to overdo it. Here's another one of my little stories that I've put on here. And then a couple more. So I have this little set of markers here. There's four colors I should say, for three different situations. I gave the kids the option of blue or green to write on the board with. The purple markers are for teachers and orange markers are for any guests in that we have, just to kind of keep it separate a little bit. And then they're to describe, what they failed at, write down what they've learned from that as well, and then just sign off on it as to their situation. So that is, again, the fail wall that I've set up. I'm hoping tomorrow when we start classes, we're going to really have some interesting response from it. Just a quick glance around my classroom. This is my classroom. I've left it fairly Spartan. I'm really trying to work on getting more collaborative learning with the tables there, and then from some various topics that have come up in the discussions and that from the forums. I've tried to leave it as bare as I can to give the kids an opportunity to design and create within the room here. All right, so that's it, and if I have any more updates, or I guess we're moving on pretty soon here, I'll post them.